Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to earn 233 or 527 pound or 8 pound per hour or 11 pound per hour or 23 pound per hour or 354 per hour, this is a simple site that you can bid for the task and you can do the task and you can earn money by when you complete the task. It's similar to Fiverr, but not many people know about this website. But this website have a lack of competition. But you can, if you have any skill that you can master at it, you can make money using this website. Before I show you the website and how you register and what tasks you can do, everything, you subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I make money online, motivations and case studies and tutorials. So I try to upload one video per day. So if you like my videos, like and subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I upload a new video. So the website is called freelancer.co.uk. This is the website. Actually, as a freelancer, you can work from any other part of the country. You don't have to be in United Kingdom, but you can work. If you are living in India, you can easily register the site and work for it. So these are the tasks that people are putting every single day. So what you do at the bid it. I'm going to show you how you can do that and everything. But this is a simple guide. When the people are posting a job, when you complete the job, when you had to bid for it, and if you can give a reasonable price for the job, and if you complete the job, you will get you will make money every single day. So there's a different type of job there, like a local or features or recruit and full-time job, and there's a different type of skills like a copy and typing is the one I'm selected here, which is easy to do. But you can do a PHP, HTML, JavaScript, or you can search other skills. But copy and paste are good because you can make $8 per hour for a simple task, or you can like this task pay higher bid because it's so much work, but it will pay 527. But you can, if you can place the bid less than that, so for example 458, that you have more chance to get that job and you can make that money. So basically what you have to do when you click this job, there's an sign up front page, and you have to click I want to work. I will open this page for the freelancer. So what you have to do is, this is the basic idea of this website. There's a small job, large jobs, and in between that, and there's a fixed price or hourly price. Basically, some project offer 500 or 300, but some project offer £5 per hour or £10 per hour. It depends on the project. And there's an international and the local jobs, so you can, like I said, you can work from any part of the country for any of the project around the world. And there's a specific price and schedule requirements needed for this website. So basically what you have to do when you come to the website, you need to complete the profile. You need to put the skill that you have, and there's a profile photo, and you need to go through all the verification process. Then it will take you to the second page where you browse the job and suit your skill and expertise, and you have to price according to the schedules and everything. So basically, when the job is available, for your skills, you need to place the bid for the job. So there's an average bid for that. If you place the bid less than the other people are placing it, you have a more chances to get that job. If you can complete the job 100% satisfaction for the customers, and then you can make that money uh, into your account. Basically what this site is that like a Fiverr. Instead of Fiverr, the customer come to you, you need to go to the customer. So basically you find the skill, the customer gonna post the job, you need to compete with other freelancer and get that job. So start with copy and pasting is easy because they already put all the information. So for example here, if you click this one, if you click this one, data entry for social media, it will send all the detail about this project, so you can place the bid according to that, and you can, if you get accepted, if you can make 100% satisfaction on the project, you can make that money. So that's it, guys. If you want to learn more about the money making or online business or anything related to build a successful online businesses, subscribe to my channels, like my videos. I try to upload one video per day. So if you want to learn more about them, subscribe and like my videos. Thanks guys for watching.